What's going on, guys? So today I want to talk about something that not a lot of people are talking about. I'll fix this real quick. I haven't seen anyone cover this topic. Hope you like the new camera. Kind of got the settings better here, so I'm going to keep optimizing them, get them better. But that is Bitcoin in general, not Bitcoin, cryptocurrency in general, how everyone's doing it right now, and how long it's going to last. Now, I'm not going to give you advice on Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies, what I think they're going to do, because I have no idea. But one thing I strongly believe is right now it's easy. It's really hard to lose money with cryptocurrency if you're investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, all of them. If you're just holding for a month, you've 100% your investment. Now, obviously, there's a little bit more to it than just setting it there and doing that. You do have to do some research, but it's very, very volatile right now. Not volatile, but it's just going up and up and up. And everyone's jumping on board, wanting to learn about it, wanting to do it. And everyone's kind of not completely, but a lot of people either love it or won't touch it. Now, the people that love it, it's all they do. I've seen a lot of posts where it's like, oh, who needs a job when I can invest in Bitcoin? Wow, yes, right now it goes up that much. You can really make that much. But in a year, 2, 3, again, no one knows the time frame. It's not going to be, again, I could be wrong, going straight up all the time. It could be a lot slower, might not be as volatile, might be pretty constant, or there might even be some type of regulations and whatnot. Again, not an expert, I don't know. This is just what I'm thinking. And everyone's jumping on the crypto train. And again, I'm not throwing shade at anyone here, any YouTubers or anything. A lot of them are my friends. I'm in the crypto space. I'm not saying don't invest in crypto, but people are forgetting that this isn't a permanent thing. It's not always going to be like this. You learn to invest in crypto now. It's going to be different in the future. And there's so many people doing it and thinking it's a full-time job and they're going to be good on that and abandoning other things. Bitcoin and I keep calling cryptocurrency Bitcoin, but cryptocurrency should be used as an investment, not a job, not a pure source of income, but an investment. So you see everyone just doing Bitcoin, not doing anything else. I say learn something else, learn Bitcoin as well. You can do both, but don't rely solely on cryptocurrency because right now, like I said, it's easy. It's going up a lot. You can make a lot. Not saying don't do it. I'm saying don't put all your time and effort into something that will be around for a year or two where you can make that much money because obviously there's crazy returns right now, but don't really rely on that source of income for the next 5, 10 years. It's not a long-term thing. Again, in my opinion, could be wrong. And I don't see that being sustainable. And I personally don't like the ups and downs with trading in stocks or other things like that and having a full-time job being a day trader or crypto investor. And again, everyone's an expert on it because if you got in at any point in the last 6 months and held for a month, you doubled your money. So everyone's an expert. And again, no shade there to any YouTubers. A lot of them know a lot more than me, obviously, have made money. But everyone's forgetting that if you're a crypto investor, it doesn't make you an entrepreneur. You didn't create crap. You put money into a coin. If I invest in the stock market, that doesn't make me an entrepreneur. You have to create something. Again, opinions. But everyone's kind of jumping on this, thinking it's a full-time thing and they're going to do it forever. It's not going to, I think Bitcoin cryptocurrency will be around. I don't think you're going to be able to make a tenth or even 100th as much money as you are the last couple months and maybe the upcoming 6 months or year. Again, no one knows. But that is my opinion on that. I want to see people doing other ventures as well that are more long-term and sustainable than just investing in cryptocurrency. That's like if I moved all my money into investing in the stock market. Okay, I'm losing out on a ton of opportunity because maybe it's really good right now for a year when I could have been creating this and still doing that because investing in it doesn't take that much time. And maybe you feel comfortable, oh, I just 100% of my money every month. Yeah, that's great. That's amazing. But it's not going to stay that way, and you got to be building other things with it. So that's kind of the biggest mistake I'm seeing people do with cryptocurrency is relying on it as a main source of income instead of an investment, which it should be. It should be an investment. It is risky. There is risk involved with it. Now, starting a business, doing other things, yes, same thing, but you're creating something that should be sustainable for a long period of time and grow kind of sustainably instead of Oh, Bitcoin went up 100%. Oh, it just went down $5,000 in the last 2 days. Okay. Obviously, that's good for trading, but I want something more sustainable, which is why I don't jump in 100% into it. I'm trading with it, yes, but if I wanted to, yeah, I could go in, learn, and play with a lot more money, but that's not my game plan. It's not what I want to do. I don't see it being long-term. I'm looking at safer investments, longer term. Again, my risky investment account is my cryptocurrency stuff. I still will be investing in it. I'm looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, some other things right now. I'm waiting because as of today, today's the 12th, it was going up on the 13th. Litecoin just jumped up a ton. Right now it's at $350. I think that's going to pull back a good amount in tomorrow or the next day. And then I might go into Litecoin, and Bitcoin right now is at 1,700 or 17,000. I don't want to get in yet on that. I'm going to wait for the next big pullback on either Litecoin or Bitcoin. I kind of want to go longer term on Litecoin, I'm thinking. But that's going to be all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Again, these are all just my opinions. I could be completely wrong. Don't know a ton in the space, but when it comes to investments and things like that, no one really knows. There's never been anything like Bitcoin or cryptocurrency yet, and it's just a big change. So I'm just saying I want you guys to obviously be safe and have more than just one stream of income, especially a very risky one like Bitcoin that can change overnight like that. So obviously other things can too, but hope you take it with a grain of salt, kind of think about it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video.